Hazrat Abu Amr Zakwan, the slave freed by Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "One of the bounties of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestowed on me is that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away in my house on the day of my turn, resting against my chest. In addition, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu mixed my and his saliva before his demise. It happened Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr came to visit me with a toothstick in his hand while I was supporting Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I saw him looking at the toothstick and realized that he wanted to use the toothstick. I submitted. Should I get it for you? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam nodded his assent. I took it and gave it to him, but it was too hard for him to use. I then submitted. Should I soften it for you? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam nodded his approval. So I softened it. There was a pot of water in front of him, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would dip his hands in the water and rub his face with them and say, "There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Undoubtedly, death has pangs." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then raised his hands and said, "To the highest companion," until he expired and his hand dropped. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4449.